Corporate Station Bangladesh, your complete environmental, health and safety solution provider. At Corporate Station Bangladesh, we are driven by a young and dedicated team of professionals who are passionate about serving our customers. Our team is committed to exploring and delivering solutions in a range of services, including spill prevention, containment and control system, fall protection system, fire safety solution, dock and warehouse management system, gas detection system, water and wastewater treatment plant machineries, personal protective equipments. With our belief and slogan, ready to keep our commitment. We prioritize client satisfaction and aim to exceed expectations by offering high-quality products. We actively participate in local and international bids, primarily working with government, semi-government, and autonomous organizations in Bangladesh. Honesty is the foundation of our business. We take responsibility for our mistakes and celebrate our victories, always striving to improve and deliver exceptional work. From humble beginnings, we have evolved and poured our hearts into our work. Our mission: to achieve excellence in supplying products by adhering to quality standards, fostering constant innovation, and sustaining business growth with integrity. Our vision: to become a prominent safety supplier known for quality, innovation, customization, modernization, and, most importantly, customer satisfaction. Corporate Station Bangladesh, ready to keep our commitment.